9 strange signs. Your body needs iron, and 5 most effective natural ways to restore it. Iron is the essential vehicle that carries life-giving oxygen to every single cell and organ in your body. Without enough iron, your heart must work twice as hard to keep your brain and muscles functioning properly. Many people feel exhausted for years without realizing their blood is slowly starving for this one vital mineral. Today, we are uncovering 9 strange signs that prove your body is desperately screaming for an iron boost. Before we reveal these hidden warnings, please tell us in the comments which city you are watching from. Also, share your age so we can provide more specific health insights tailored to your unique stage of life. Your engagement helps this life-saving information reach thousands of others who are suffering from undiagnosed iron deficiency. Let's explore the first bizarre signal that your circulatory system is struggling to provide enough oxygen today. Sign number 1. Intense cravings for ice, pegophagia. An unusual and overwhelming desire to chew on plain ice cubes is a classic sign of severe iron. Doctors call this condition pegophagia, and it is a specific form of pica related to a mineral. Chewing ice might temporarily increase blood flow to the brain, helping you feel more alert despite your anemia. You might find yourself visiting the freezer multiple times a day just to satisfy this very strange frozen. This habit is not just a refreshing snack, but a clear biological cry for more elemental iron support. Many patients report that the craving completely disappears the very moment their iron levels are restored to normal. If you find yourself crunching on ice while everyone else is eating a meal, your body is talking. Ignoring this sign can lead to dental damage and a worsening of your underlying blood health issues today. Always consider an iron test if you develop a sudden and uncontrollable passion for eating cold ice cubes. Sign number 2. Spoon-shaped fingernails, koilonychia. Healthy fingernails should be slightly convex, but iron deficiency can cause them to curve inward like a spoon. This rare and strange physical change is known as koilonychia and indicates a long-term lack of essential. You might notice that a single drop of water can stay inside the hollow dip of your nail. The nails often become very thin, brittle, and may chip or break during simple daily household physical. This happens because iron is required for the production of keratin, the protein that builds your strong nails. If your nails are losing their natural shape, your body is showing you a deep internal nutritional. Many people try to use topical strengtheners when the real solution lies in their daily diet and blood. Monitoring the texture of your nails is a simple way to track your long-term mineral status at home. Spoon nails are a loud visual alarm that your tissues are not receiving enough oxygenated blood to grow. Sign number 3. A smooth and pale tongue. An iron-deficient tongue often loses its natural tiny bumps and appears unnaturally smooth, shiny, and very. This condition, called atrophic glossitis, can make your tongue feel incredibly sore or uncomfortably swollen during. You might find it difficult to eat spicy or salty foods because your tongue's protective surface has thinned. Low levels of myoglobin, an iron-rich protein, cause the muscles in your tongue to shrink and lose. A healthy tongue should be a vibrant pink color, but a lack of iron leaves it looking pale. If your tongue looks like a polished stone in the mirror, your blood is likely very low in. This symptom can affect your ability to chew and swallow your food comfortably throughout your busy daily. Correcting your iron levels can restore the healthy texture and color of your tongue within a few weeks. Never ignore oral changes, as they are often the first indicators of a systemic mineral imbalance in men. Sign number 4. Restless leg syndrome, RLS. A creepy, crawly sensation in your legs that gets worse at night is strongly linked to low iron. Restless leg syndrome creates an irresistible urge to move your limbs to stop the uncomfortable tingling, and iron is a key cofactor in the production of dopamine, which controls smooth muscle movements and nervous. When iron levels in the brain drop, your nervous system becomes hyper-reactive and causes these nightly leg. You might find it impossible to sit through a long movie or a flight without constantly shaking your. This condition leads to chronic insomnia and severe daytime fatigue because you cannot stay still long enough to. Many people are treated with heavy neurological drugs when a simple iron supplement could solve the root. If your legs feel like they have a mind of their own at bedtime, check your ferritin levels. Restoring your mineral stores can calm your nervous system and provide you with a peaceful and deep sleep. Sign number 5. Cracks at the corners of the mouth. Painful red cracks at the corners of your lips, known as angular cheilitis, can signal a deficiency. Iron is essential for maintaining the integrity of your skin and the mucous membranes around your mouth. These sores can become infected with fungi or bacteria, making it painful to smile or even to. You might mistakenly think you just have dry skin or a reaction to a new lip balm product. However, if the cracks persist despite using moisturizer, your body is signaling a much deeper internal nutritional. The skin at the corners of the mouth is very thin and the first to show signs of. Taking iron combined with B vitamins often heals these stubborn sores faster than any topical cream available today. Always pay attention to skin irritations that refuse to go away with standard over-the-counter surface level. Your face is a map that reveals exactly what is happening inside your complex circulatory and digestive. Sign number 6. Constant cold hands and feet. If your extremities feel like ice even in a warm room, you may not have enough. Iron is needed to produce hemoglobin, which carries heat and oxygen to your furthest fingers and small. Without enough iron, your body prioritizes sending blood to your vital organs like the heart and this leaves your hands and feet feeling neglected, cold, and sometimes even looking a bit blue or many people blame poor circulation or getting older, but the underlying cause is often a thin blood. You might find yourself wearing thick wool socks and gloves while everyone else is perfectly comfortable, and persistent coldness is a sign that your internal furnace is struggling to generate enough metabolic heat for. Improving your iron intake can help warm your body from the inside out by boosting your red blood. Do not just cover up the symptom. Instead, focus on feeding your blood the minerals it truly. Sign number 7. Strange cravings for dirt or clay, pica. The urge to eat non-food items like dirt, clay, or laundry starch is a very serious signal. This behavioral phenomenon is a direct response to a severe mineral deficiency that your brain is trying. While it sounds bizarre, pica is a well-documented medical condition that affects many iron-deficient people around thee. Your instincts are searching for minerals in the earth because your diet is currently failing to provide. Eating these substances can be dangerous as they may contain parasites, toxins, or heavy metals like lead. Most people feel deep shame about these cravings and hide them from their family and their medical. If you have a sudden desire to taste soil or chalk, please consult a healthcare professional immediately. A simple blood test followed by iron therapy can stop these dangerous cravings almost instantly for most. Understanding that this is a biological issue, not a mental one, is the first step toward total. Sign number 8. Shortness of breath. During light activity. Feeling winded after walking up a single flight of stairs is a major red flag for. When your hemoglobin is low, your muscles do not receive the oxygen they need to perform simple. To compensate, your heart and lungs must work much harder, leading to rapid breathing and a pounding. You might feel like you cannot take a deep enough breath even when you are sitting perfectly. Many people attribute this to being out of shape, but it is often a sign of anemia. Your stamina and endurance depend entirely on the ability of your blood to transport life-giving oxygenated. Ignoring this shortness of breath puts a significant and unnecessary strain on your entire cardiovascular system over. If your normal daily chores leave you gasping for air, it is time to check your iron. Restoring your oxygen carrying capacity will make exercise and movement feel effortless and enjoyable once again in your. Sign number 9. Sudden and excessive hair loss. Finding large clumps of hair in your shower drain is a distressing sign of low iron. Hair follicles require a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to stay in the growing phase of. When iron is low, your body redirects its limited resources away from non-essential tissues like your long Your hair may become thin, dry, and lose its natural luster before eventually falling out at the. This type of hair loss is often diffused across the entire scalp rather than in specific small. Many women spend thousands on expensive shampoos when they really need a simple and affordable mineral. Iron is a fundamental building block for the cells that create each strand of your beautiful healthy. You can often regrow your hair by stabilizing your ferritin levels and eating a mineral-rich daily. Do not wait for your hair to thin significantly before you start taking your internal blood health. 5. Most effective natural ways to fully restore iron levels. 1. Consume hemi-iron from grass-fed beef. Eat a serving of red meat twice a week to absorb hemi-iron, which is much easier for your body to use. Animal-based iron is absorbed at a much higher rate than the non-hemi-iron found in plants and leafy vegetables. 2. Pair your iron with vitamin C. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over your spinach or eat an orange with your meals to double your absorption. Vitamin C chemically changes iron into a more soluble form that your small intestine can easily take in. 3. Cook your meals in cast iron. Use a cast iron skillet to prepare acidic foods like tomato sauce to naturally fortify your meals with. Small amounts of dietary iron leach from the pan into your food, providing a consistent and gentle daily. 4. Avoid tea and coffee. During meals, wait at least 1 hour after eating before drinking tea because tannins can block iron absorption by 60. These polyphenols bind to the iron in your gut and prevent it from ever entering your vital. 5. Snack on blackstrap molasses regularly. Stir a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses into warm water for a potent plant-based boost of highly concentrated. This thick syrup is a nutritional treasure chest that also provides copper and magnesium for better blood. Conclusion: listening to the strange signals of iron deficiency is the first step toward reclaiming your energy, and your blood is the river of life that sustains every thought, movement, and heartbeat in your entire. We have explored the 9 bizarre signs of lack and the 5 natural ways to restore your. By making smart dietary choices today, you can prevent chronic fatigue and live a vibrant, healthy long. Please subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on how to master your body's unique health. Share this video with someone who is always cold or struggling with hair loss and restless nightly. Stay strong, keep your iron levels high, and we will see you in the next life-saving health update.